Everyone, welcome to Sunrise Public School. On the behalf of Sunrise Public School, I am Mr. Neeraj Kumar is going to teach you lesson 5th. Name of the lesson is Indigo and it is written by Louis Fisher. So before going ahead, we can see two pictures are there. Two pictures are given in this slide. So what one picture is about a plant and another picture, this picture is a packing picture. So mean to say we can say something are packed in this picture. So what is packed in this picture? We can see Robin and it is written on the Robin and under Robin it is written powder blue. So mean to say in this box there is a blue powder. So from where this blue powder comes? So this blue powder comes from this plant. So what is this plant? We are going to know more about this plant. So you can see, so this is a crop. So indigo. So this is the title of our lesson, indigo. So indigo is an commercial crop and it is used in cloth industry. It is used to dye the fabric. So indigo is a crop and this crop is a commercial crop. It is used in industry and in which industry? It is used in cloth industry. And what is the use of what is the use of this in cloth industry? It is used to dye the fabric. So according to the text, Indian farmers were forced to produce indigo and the Indian farmer were against its production. So next one is we are going to know more about Louis Fisher. And Louis, who is this Louis Fisher? Louis Fisher is the writer of the lesson Indigo. So about Louis Fisher. So Louis Fisher was an American journalist. He was an American writer. He born in 1896. He visited India in 1942 and spent much time with Gandhiji. When he was with Gandhiji, he wrote about Gandhiji. And he wrote about Gandhiji and the name of the book in which he wrote about Gandhiji, The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. And this incident, this indigo part, this indigo extract also mentioned in this book, The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. And that book is written by Louis Fisher. So Louis Fisher was an American writer, American journalist, and he came India and he met with Gandhiji and he wrote about Gandhiji. So you can see photograph of Louis Fisher. So now we are going to know more about Gandhiji and about Louis Fisher. So Gandhiji's and Louis Fisher. So this is a short quiz on Mahatma Gandhi and Fisher. So what is Gandhiji's full name? You know very well about it. So the complete name of Gandhiji was Gandhiji is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. When and where Gandhiji born? Gandhiji born in Porbandar in 1869. What is the name of Gandhiji's autobiography? What is the name of Gandhiji's autobiography? So Gandhiji's autobiography name is Satya Ke Prayog. Who shot Gandhiji? So Gandhiji shot, Nathuram Godse shot Gandhiji. What was Gandhiji's profession? Gandhiji was an advocate. He got his barrister, he got his law education from South Africa, from England. Yes, you from England he got educations and he went to South Africa for practice and he came back India and he didn't do that practice. He didn't do the work. He didn't do his profession, and his profession was an advocate. But being an advocate, he lead. Yeah, he was the leader of Indian movement. So, who was Louis Fisher? So, as we have known about this one also, Louis Fisher was an American journalist. When did Fisher came to India? It is also written here. So he came to India in 1942. What was the name of ashram in which Fisher stayed with Gandhiji? So the name of the ashram was Sevagram, and he stayed with Gandhiji in that ashram. So now we are going to know more. What about this lesson is? So this lesson is about. So what was the main issue in Champaran? So most arable land in Champaran owned by Englishmen and worked by Indian tenants. So what is the mean here? So the owner of the land was Englishmen. And the Indian farmers were working in on this land. They have to show the crops. They have to crop the crops. So these things were doing there, and main power was in the hand of the Englishman, and the our farmer, Indian farmer, were the worker in the on the land. The chief commercial crop was indigo. The landlord compelled all tenants to plant 50% of their land with indigo. So the Indian farmer were compelled, they were forced to plant 15% of their land, and they have to plant indigo. So the entire indigo harvest was surrendered as rent, and they were not getting from that indigo. So all harvest, all crops were given as a rent to the Englishmen. So this was the issue in the Champaran, and what happened in the next? Yes, you Germany developed synthetic indigo, and landlords got agreements from the peasants to pay the compensation for being released from the 15% arrangement. It was told to the Indian farmer that you will get some part of the 15%. Yes, you if we are producing indigo, if we are producing indigo, so that indigo was produced on 15%, so that some parts of the 50%, yeah, some parts of the benefit of from the indigo will be given to the Indian farmers. But many peasants signed willingly. So many farmers were happy because they will get something. But others who went to court were threatened by landlords. Yes, and who the other farmers, those farmers went to court, they were threatened by the landlords. And who was the landlord? Who were the landlords? Landlord were the Englishmen. So peasants came to know the synthetic Indo and demanded their money back. So the Indian farmers were demanding their money back, but they were not giving that money. So to do this, there was an issue, and that issue was they were not producing indigo, but the Englishmen were saying that you have to produce indigo. So this was the issue, and is this issue, this conflict thus aroused the issue. So to solve this issue, Gandhiji went to Champaran with who? With Louis Fisher. And who is this Louis Fisher? Louis Fisher is the writer of this lesson. And who called him here, there in Champaran? So that was Rajkumar Sukla called him. Gandhiya called Gandhiji in Champaran. He told Gandhiji each and everything about their exploitation. So up to now, this is the introduction part of our video. So thank you. I hope you got it. Thank you. Have a nice day. You will get something. And in the next video, we are going to know more about this one. So thank you.